Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. DXB Fat2Fit, your journey to fight fat. It's 5:50 a.m. in the morning, and I'm heading to gym for a workout. I was sick last day, so I took the rest day. Health is important, but I can't give excuses. Though I'm not feeling, not well, because I had medicines. I'm on medicines, but I can't give excuses. I have to fight fat. So if you give excuses in your life, you will stay where you have to. So you have to go an extra mile. So I'm heading an extra mile, okay, to achieve what I have to achieve and to show you guys what you can achieve. So don't lose hope. Don't stop the race that you're running. You will win for sure. If you fail, it's good to fail. It's good to fail, but try again and again and again and again and again, and you will accomplish it. I can guarantee you that. Do not give up, guys. Let's fight the journey of fat together. Catch you up, guys, soon with an update and with a good workout. Guys, I have finished the workout and it was an awesome workout. We are heading home, so stay tuned for the 90 days transformation. Here is Arvind. He's riding the bike, very stressed out, exhausted, as we both did. And thanks to Arvind, you need a gym partner as well, to motivate you. He was always been a motivation to me since 2009 when we were fat and I was fit. So again, he is with me. So catch you guys soon. Stay tuned. There is a new recipe which is gonna come. Catch you guys. God bless you all.